वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जी, the pavan pavitra house, the blessed house of Bebe Nanaki ji, the sister of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha, who was 5 years elder than Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha. She was married in the city with Bhai Harman Singh. Bebe Nanaki ji, after her marriage, she lived in the city. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha, obviously with the troubles that they were having in Raipur ke Talwandi with their father, Bebe Nanaki ji and Bhai Harman Singh called Guru Nanak Dev Ji here to live with them. This is their house. This is Bebe Nanaki ji's house where they used to live. Bebe Nanaki ji's well is still here as well. Bebe Nanaki ji used to live here. Bhai Harman Singh used to go and work, and also Guru Nanak Dev Ji used to live here and go out and work at their shop. Used to live here, go out and work in the fields. Used to live here and used to go out to travel to different places. Guru Nanak Dev Ji would always return back here home. Even Guru Nanak Dev Ji's weddings, preparation, all of that happened here. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Bebe Nanaki ji and many others traveled from here all the way to Batala, where Gurdwara Kand Sahib and other places there where Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha ji married Mata Sulakhani ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha, after they returned from their wedding, they started living at their home separate from this place with Mata Sulakhani ji. That's where Baba Shri Chand and Baba Lakshmi Das ji are born. Prior to their marriage, Guru Nanak Dev Ji used to live here. Guru Nanak Dev Ji also, when they traveled out on their udasiyan, on their long journeys, they gave their word, their promise to Bebe Nanaki ji, their elder sister, because they were requested, "Oh my brother, you are the form of God." Bebe Nanaki ji, keep in mind, is the very first Sikh. She is the first person that recognized Guru Nanak Dev Ji as the light of God. She asked, "You are traveling so far, I can't live without you. First you were just living close to me in my city. I can always just walk down the road and go and meet you. But now what will happen? You are going to travel so far." Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave her this boon, that whenever she feels this pain of separation, she feels this sorrow, she can just think of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha would appear in front of them. Pero that day came when Bebe Nanaki ji, one day, she was cooking prashade, fulke. She was making roti. And while she was making roti, making that fulka, she remembered Guru Nanak Dev Ji. She wished that Guru Nanak Dev Ji would come and eat this beautiful fulka, this roti. And as she was making it, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha appeared, knocked on the door. And Bebe Nanaki ji, she fell at Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha's feet, because Guru Nanak Dev Ji would have been traveling far and wide, but Sache Pacha appeared right away with other Gursikhs. Bebe Nanaki ji went to go and touch Guru Nanak Dev Ji's feet, but Guru Nanak Dev Ji went and tried to touch Mata or Bebe Nanaki ji's feet. Bibi Ji said, "Why are you touching my feet? The entire world touches your feet." Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, "No, I came into this world because of your cry, because of your love with Akaal Purakh. You asked for a brother from God, but no, God came in the form of your brother." This is that blessed, beautiful house of Bebe Nanaki ji, pyareo. There's not time, there's no room to even discuss the beauty and the love of the relationship between this beautiful Gursikh, but also sister of Akaal Purakh, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Sache Pacha. This is their Pratana Sthan, their house, Bebe Nanaki ji's house in the city of Sultanpur Lodhi. Vaheguru ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru ji ki Fateh.